Hello and welcome. Understanding every Indian state and union territory part 3. If you are new on this channel, please check out other part of this video where we already covered 18 states of India in alphabetical order. Link is in the description box below and please subscribe to the channel. A sub would greatly motivate us. Thank you. Odisha, formerly known as Odisha, is an Indian state located in eastern India. Odisha has a coastline of 485 kilometers along the Bay of Bengal. With 1,55,707 square kilometers of land area, Odisha is the 8th largest state by area in India. It has a population of nearly 41 million people and Odisha is the 11th most populous state of India. Odia is the official language of Odisha and is spoken by 83% of the population, followed by Sambalpuri 7%, Koi, Santali, Urdu, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi. The majority of people in Odisha are Hindu, almost 94%, followed by Christianity 3%, Islam 2%, Saranism 1%. Bhubaneswar is the largest and capital city of Odisha. Cuttack, Rourkela, Berhampur, Sambalpur, Puri are other major cities in the state. Agriculture is the main occupation of people of Odisha. The people are also into fishery. The staple food of people of Odisha is rice. The famous sweet Rasagolla has its origin in Odisha. Chana poda, dalma, pakla bhata, mach ghanta, chatu basara, chakulia pita are some famous dishes from Odisha. Odisha has one of the major tourism sectors of India with various tourist attractions ranging from wildlife reserves, beaches, temples, monuments, the arts and festivals. Famous Rath Yatra in Jagannath Temple, Puri, Chilka Lake, Sun Temple of Konark and many more famous sites are in Odisha. Punjab. Punjab is a state in northern India. It is bordered by Punjab, a province of Pakistan to the west, forming part of larger Punjab region of the Indian subcontinent. With 50,000 square kilometers of land area, Punjab is the 20th largest state by area in India. It has population of nearly 27 million people and Punjab is the 16th most populous state of India. Punjabi is the sole official language of Punjab, spoken by nearly 90% of the population, followed by Hindi 8% and other languages. Sikhism is the majority religion of Punjab with 58% followers, followed by Hinduism 39% and Islam 2%. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Ludhiana is the largest city in Punjab. Amritsar, Jalandhar, Patiala, Bhatinda are other major cities in Punjab. Agriculture is the main source of economy in Punjab. Wheat and rice is the main staple food of Punjab. Punjabi dishes are famous in the whole country, even in the world. Milk products, especially ghee, is must in Punjab. Butter chicken, lassi, chole bhature, paratha, dal makhni, paneer tikka, rajma chawal are some famous Punjabi dishes. Tourism in Punjab centers around the historic places, battle sites and great Sikh architecture of the state. Harmandir Sahib or Golden Temple, Moti Bagh Palace and many more sites are in Punjab. Rajasthan is a state in northern India. It comprises most of the wide and inhospitable Thar Desert and shares a border with the Pakistan. With 3,42,239 square kilometers of land area, Rajasthan is the largest state by area in India. It has a population of nearly 68 million people and it is the 7th most populous state of India. Hindi is the official and most widely spoken language in the state, 90% of the population, followed by Bhili 4.6%, Punjabi 2% and Urdu 1%. Rajasthani, Marwari are counted in Hindi languages. In the national census, standard Rajasthani had over 37% speakers. Rajasthan's residents are mainly Hindus who account for 89% of the population. Muslims make up 9% of the population, followed by Sikhs and Jains. Jaipur is the largest and capital city of Rajasthan. Other major cities are Jodhpur, Kota, Bikaner, Ajmer, Udaipur. Farming, animal husbandry, handicrafts are major occupations in Rajasthan and many people is associated with tourism industry also. Rajasthan is known for its snacks like Bikaner Bhujia. Other famous dishes include bajre ki roti, lahsun ki chutney, mawa kachori, mirchi bara, pyaj kachori, gevar, dal kachori, dal bati churma, rasagullas from Bikaner. Rajasthan is one of the most popular tourist destinations in India for both domestic and international tourists. Every third foreign tourist visiting India travels to Rajasthan. It is known for historical forts, places, art and culture, Umaid Bhawan Palace, Lake Palace, Hawa Mahal, Chittor Fort, Ranthambore Fort, Junagadh Fort, and many more places. Sikkim is a state in northeastern India. It borders Tibet in the north and northeast, Bhutan in the east, and Nepal in the west. Almost the entire state is hilly. With 7,096 square kilometers of land area, Sikkim is the second smallest state by area in India. It has population of nearly 600,000 people and it is the least populous state of India. The official languages of the state are English, Nepali, Sikkimese, Lepcha. Additional official languages include Gurung, Limbu, Mugar, Mukhia, Newar, Rai, Sherpa and Tamang. Hindi is also spoken in the state. Hinduism is the most followed religion in the state with 58% followers, followed by Buddhism, 28% Christianity, 10% Islam, 1% of the population. Gangtok is the largest and capital city of Sikkim. Agriculture is the major occupation of the people of Sikkim. Tourism also forms the backbone of the Sikkim economy. Rice is a staple food in the state. Noodle-based dishes such as thukpa, chow mein, tenthuk, faktu, gayathuk, onton, momos are very popular in Sikkim. Sikkim is made for tourism. Songmo Lake, Gurudongma Lake, Zero Point, Yangthang Valley, Goichala, Gangtok are some famous destinations for travelers in Sikkim. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu lies in the southernmost part of the India. It is bounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east, by the Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait on the southeast, and by the Indian Ocean on the south. The state shares a maritime border with Sri Lanka. With 1,30,058 square kilometers of land area, Tamil Nadu is the 10th largest state by area in India. It has a population of nearly 72 million people and Tamil Nadu is the 6th most populous state of India. Tamil is the sole official language of Tamil Nadu while English is declared an additional official language for communication purposes. Tamil is also most spoken language. 90% of the population speaking Tamil, followed by Telugu 6%, Kannada 2%, Urdu 1%, Malayalam. Hinduism is the most followed religion with 88% followers, followed by Christianity 6%, Islam 5.5%. Chennai is the capital and largest city in Tamil Nadu. Coimbatore, Madurai, Trichy, Tripur, Salem are other major cities in the state. Agriculture is the main occupation in Tamil Nadu, but there is also large and medium industries in the state. Vegetarian cuisine is popular among the Tamil people. However, meats along with rice, legumes and lentils are also popular. Tamil Nadu is also known for idli, dosa, sambar, curd, kujambu and rasam. Tamil Nadu is well renowned for its temple, towns and heritage sites. Hill stations, waterfalls, national parks, local cuisine and the natural environment and wildlife. The state has the largest tourism industry in India. Tamil Nadu has some of the most remarkable temple architecture in the country like Meenakshi Amman Temple, Sri Ranganath Swami Temple and hundreds of temples. Ooty, Kodaikanal are very famous hill stations in the country. Marina Beach, one of the world's longest and largest urban beaches, is located on the eastern side of the Chennai. Telangana. Telangana is a state in India situated on the south central stretch of Indian peninsula on the high Deccan Plateau. It is the youngest state of India, formed in 2014. With 1,12,000 square kilometers of land area, Telangana is the 11th largest state by area in India. It has a population of nearly 35 million people and Telangana is the 12th most populous state of India. Telugu is the official language of Telangana and Urdu is the second official language of the state. About 77% of the population of Telangana speaks Telugu and 12% speaks Urdu, Marathi 2%, Tamil 1%. The religious makeup of Telangana is about 85% Hindu, 13% Muslim and 1% Christian. Hyderabad is the largest and capital city of Telangana. Warangal, Nizamabad, Khammam, Karimnagar are other major cities in Telangana. Agriculture is the major occupation in Telangana. People are also involved in IT, engineering, consultancy services. The Telugu people and the state are known for hot and spicy food. The cuisine of the state has a blend of Mughlai cuisine, Rice is the staple food of the state. Sarvapindi, Pichli Pulusu, Hyderabadi biryani are some famous dishes of the state. Telangana has some famous tourist destinations like Charminar, Warangal Fort, Kuntala Waterfalls, Falaknuma Palace, and many more. Tripura is a state in northeastern India. It has international border with Bangladesh. Tripura lies in a geographically disadvantageous location in India, as only one major highway, the National Highway 8, connects it with the rest of the country. With 10,486 square kilometers of land area, Tripura is the third smallest state by area in India. Tripura has population of nearly 3.5 million people and it is the 21st most populous state of India. Kokborok, English, Bengali are the official languages of the state. Bengali is the most widely spoken languages with 66% speakers, followed by Kokborok 26%, Chakma 2% and Hindi. Hinduism is the majority religion in the state, followed by 83.5% of the population. Muslims make up 8.5% of the population. Christians 4% and Buddhists 3.5%. Agartala is the largest and capital city of Tripura. The major occupation of the people of Tripura is agriculture. Rice is the staple food of the people. Tripuri food has a key ingredient called barma, also called shidal in Bengali, which is a small oil-pasted dry fermented fish. Moi, Mouka, Moya, Batem are some traditional cuisine of Tripura. Clouded Leopard National Park, rock-cut sculptures at Unnakoti, Ujjayante Palace, Nirmahal Palace, Tripura Sundari Temple are some famous places to visit in the state. Uttar Pradesh is a state in northern India. It has an international border with Nepal to the north. Uttar Pradesh is the heart of India, hence it is also known as the heartland of India. With 2,40,928 square kilometers of land area, Uttar Pradesh is the fourth largest state by area in India. Uttar Pradesh has a population of nearly 200 million people and it is the most populous state of India, as well as the most populous country subdivision in the world. Hindi is the official language of the Uttar Pradesh and is spoken by the majority of the population, 94%. Although different regions have their own dialects like Awadhi, Bhojpuri, Braj Bhasha. Urdu is the second official language with 5% speaker. Uttar Pradesh is home to the highest number of both Hindus and Muslims. Hinduism is the largest religion with 80% followers. Islam is the second largest religion with 19% followers, and other religions like Christianity, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism have 1% followers combinedly. Lucknow is the largest and capital city of Uttar Pradesh. Kanpur, Ghaziabad, Agra, Allahabad, Meerut, Varanasi are some major cities in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has very fertile land and its economy is largely driven by agriculture. The key source of economy in the state includes food processing, information technology, tourism, textiles, handlooms, handicrafts, biotechnology, leather-based and sports goods industries. Typical Uttar Pradesh meals consist of roti, chawal, dal, sabji, raita and papad, but Awadhi cuisines from the city of Lucknow influenced by Mughal cooking techniques are very famous around the country like kebabs, kormas, biryani, kalia, jarda, shirmal, rumali rotis. Uttar Pradesh is known for its rich culture and traditions and is home to the many historical monuments and religious sites. Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, is in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Millions of tourists and pilgrims visit the cities of Prayagraj, Varanasi, Mathura, Vrindavan, Gorakhpur and Ayodhya, as those are considered to be the holiest Hindu places in India. We have a video on history of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. Links is in I button above. Uttarakhand is a state in northern part of India. It is often referred to as the Devbhumi, meaning land of the gods, due to numerous Hindu temples and pilgrimage centers. It has international border with Tibet Autonomous Region of China to the north and Nepal to the east. With 53,000 square kilometers of land area, Uttarakhand is the 18th largest state by area in India. Uttarakhand has a population of nearly 11 million people and it is the 19th most populous state of India. The official language of Uttarakhand is Hindi, which is spoken by 43% of the population. The classical language Sanskrit is the second official language. Other languages are Garhwali, which is spoken by 23% of the population, Kumaoni 20%, Urdu 4%, Punjabi 2.5%, Jaunsari, Bengali and Bhojpuri. Hinduism is the largest religion in the state with 83% followers, followed by Islam 14%, Sikhism 2% of the population. Dehradun is the largest city, winter capital of Uttarakhand. Garrison is the summer capital, while Nainital is the judicial capital of Uttarakhand. The main occupation of the people of Uttarakhand is agriculture, while many people are involved with tourism industry. The primary food of Uttarakhand is vegetable, with wheat being a staple food. Kafuli, bhang ki chutney, garhwal ka fana, badi, Kandali ka saag, chensu, kumaoni raita, gulgul are some famous dishes from the state. Uttarakhand has many tourist spots due to its location in the Himalayas. There are many ancient temples, forest reserves, national parks, hill stations, and mountainous peaks that draw a large number of tourists. Two of the most holy rivers in Hinduism, the Ganges and Yamuna, originate in Uttarakhand. Chardham, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, Pachkedar, Panch Prayag, Rishikesh, Haridwar are all in Uttarakhand. And also there is Valley of Flowers National Park, Himalaya Mountainous Range and many more in Uttarakhand to visit. West Bengal is a state in the eastern region of India along the Bay of Bengal. It has international borders with Bangladesh in the east, Nepal and Bhutan in the north. The state was a hotbed of the Indian independence movement and has remained one of India's great artistic and intellectual centers. With 88,700 square kilometers of land area, West Bengal is the 13th largest state by area in India. West Bengal has population of nearly 91 million people and it is the fourth most populous state of India. The state's official languages are Bengali and English. Nepali has additional official status in the three subdivisions of Darjeeling. Hindi, Oriya, Punjabi, Santali, Urdu, Kamtapuri, Kurmali and Rajbangshi has additional official status where speakers exceed 10% of the population. Bengali is the most spoken language in the state with 87% speakers followed by Hindi 7%, Santali 3%, Urdu 2%, Nepali 1% others. Hinduism is the largest religion in the state with 71% followers. Islam has significant following in the state at 27%, followed by Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism. Kolkata is the largest and capital city of West Bengal. Asansol, Siliguri, Durgapur, Bardhaman, Baharampur are other major cities in the state. Agriculture is the main occupation in West Bengal, while many peoples are involved with steel plants, coal mines, fishery, tourism, etc. Bengalis are very much particular about their food. Rice and fish is the staple food of West Bengal. There is a saying in Bengali, Mache Bhate Bengali, that translates as fish and rice makes a Bengali. আলু পোস্ত, ইলিশ মাছের ঝোল, শুক্তো, ট্যাংরা মাছের ঝোল, আলুর দম, লুচি, মুড়িঘণ্ট, কষা মাংস are some famous dishes of Bengal. Bengal is also known for sweets, mainly Bengali Rasagolla, which has its origin in Bengal, chamcham, mishti doi, sandesh, patishapta, and many more. There are several tourist destinations in the state, from mountains to beaches, and also architectural designs like Howrah Bridge, Victoria Memorial, Darjeeling Himalayan Hill Region, forest and national parks in Duars like Gorumara National Park, mangroves of Sundarban, Digha, Mandarmani beaches are some famous travel destinations in West Bengal. Bengal is also home to Royal Bengal tiger. 6 Nobel laureates had connections or roots in West Bengal, and Rabindranath Tagore, writer of Indian national anthem, is from West Bengal and was the first Asian to win a Nobel Prize. In next video, we will discuss about Union Territories of India. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and link of all other part of this video series are in description box below. And also like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.